Hello everyone. Let's go on a trip around the world of transport. We will learn vehicles from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's roll. A. A for airplane. It flies high in the sky. Off we go above the clouds. B. B for bus. Big and bright, it carries people day and night. C. C for car. Let's drive near and far. D. D for drone. Up it flies, taking pictures from the skies. E. E for excavator. It digs the ground with a giant arm. F. F for ferry. It sails on water, carrying people and cars. G. G for glider. Floating through the air, so light and fair. H. H for helicopter. Spin, spin, spin. Up we go with a grin. I. I for icebreaker. Strong and cool, breaking ice like a tool. J. J for jet ski. It's super fast in the sea so vast. K. K for kayak. Paddle, paddle, let's explore the river track. L. L for limousine. Long and shiny, fit for a movie scene. M. M for motorcycle. Let's race on the road. N. N for narrowboat. Sailing slowly down the canal. O. O for ox cart. Old but strong, it carries loads all day long. P. P for police car. Keeping everyone safe. Q. Q for quad bike. Zoom across the sand, what a ride. R. R for rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off to space. S. S for ship. Sailing across the deep blue sea. T. T for train. Are you all aboard? U. U for unicycle. Just one wheel, what a deal. V. V for van. Off we go delivering goods. W. W for wagon. Carrying things from place to place. X. X for Xplorer. A speedy train in Australia. Wow. Y. Y for yacht. Sailing fancy and free on the sea. Z. Z for Zeppelin. Floating gently up in the sky. Wow! We traveled from A to Z.